Okay, so if you do the same thing almost every day, then you may become the master of that. I believe so. So I've been making a pure video almost every day in about 2 years. So I could be the master of this issue. If I make the appeal video, it is 100% correct, and the successful rate is 99%. Okay, just kidding. So I just want to explain about my appeal video service so that you know if your channel was demonetized by reuse content or channel or monetization policy or anything, just demonetized, you can use my service. Now I open my service to international customer like you. So maybe you are in India, America, or anywhere in the world. You can follow these steps to work with me. So I think it is easy because here I've been doing with my client here in Vietnam, and they're just 3 steps. And also I successfully appeal video for some international clients. So I believe that it is easy, just some easy step you can follow. Okay, so the first step, if your channel was demonetized on YouTube, you can find the information to contact me in the description. So tell me what is happening on your YouTube channel, so then I can give you some advice. So you can contact me by WhatsApp or Facebook or Gmail or Telegram, anything. I will put in the description for you. Okay, so that is the first step. And the second step, you have to add my Gmail as a manager of your channel, so that I can double check the content on your channel and also check what is the violation, so I can give you a good advice if you want to do the appeal video or not. Okay, so in order to add my Gmail as a manager, you want to go to your YouTube studio here, and then okay, you want to go to setting. So go to setting at the bottom left, and then select permission. And now you can just click this invite button, invite, and input my Gmail, and also select the access. In order to make a appeal video for you, I need to have manager access to your channel. And if it is just the first time, you can add me as a viewer or an editor of your channel. It's okay, because I can double check your channel and the content. Okay, and I will give you the email when you contact me, or I just put it in the description for you. So that is step number 2. You need to add my Gmail to your channel manager. And step number 3 is to make the payment. You can pay me by Binance or PayPal or anything, any other source of payment you want to suggest, because I have different payment rate. Okay, because you know, when working with international customer, we have to get the payment first, otherwise we don't know each other. Okay, so that is step number 3. And step number 4, you need to record the screen of what you are doing on YouTube, how you create video, and you don't need to say anything, just record the screen. Start from writing the script and generate image and edit video, and it could be 40 minutes or 50 minutes or anything. And after that, you can share with me on Google Drive or WeTransfer or any kind of file transfer. But normally I use Google Drive. So Google Drive is something like this. Use Google Drive. Okay, so we go to Google Drive here and create a new folder. So I go to home, and we create a new folder here and give access to my Gmail account, and then I can access to the Gmail account, and then I can do the appeal video for you. Okay, so that's all the steps you need to do. Just follow exactly this step and we can work together. Okay, so that's everything I want to share with you in this video. I hope it is helpful for you. If you want to work with me, just find me at the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.